Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, it would seem that the silver outlook still remains positive even though the resistance at $16.4550 is putting up quite a good contest and holding. At the moment the bears should still probably try and defend this level today, but I still expect to see the market to be a buy on dips and could actually eventually break above there. Do note though that if we get a strong rejection in the next 24 hours, it would turn the focus back on the support of $15.90 and reassess from there. Looking at gold, the price action was repeated as the previous day, with the market still a buy on dips, fell towards a low of around that 1,232 to 33 before responding to a bullish recovery. In light of the rebound of that level of 32, I still expect to see dips to be a buy, with the support coming in now at 1238 and beneath there firmly from 1,232 to 33. With the top side weakening at 45, I still expect to see a further contest to the upside, and clearing that level would expose the next target of 1250.52 to 1259 and reassess from there. Very strong mixed price action overnight for the Australian dollar, which began with the upbeat domestic job release yesterday, which propelled the price action to a fresh two-year high of 79.86 before erasing all the gains for that day and recorded a low of 78.97 right in front of that support at 78.90. It is viewed that the market will continue to pressure the downside since that rejection and look towards that level of 90. Now a break beneath there would give further scope towards the support of 78.50 and reassess from there. Very mixed price action in the euro as well, after the market plummeted to a low of 114.79 low and then staged an aggressive rally and taken out that 116 handle and now looking towards the top side of 116.55.65 where I've indicated here, which should not sustain. The market is overbought and I do expect to see fresh supply to return and look back towards the downside of 115.30 to 40. What is actually buckling the outlook slightly is that the US dollar did record a new low, should I say 11-month new low of 93.89 on the index. It is viewed that that is extremely oversold now, so I do expect to see some kind of recovery in the US dollar, which should pressure the euro back towards a support seen with the uptrend of 113.65.75 and reassess from there. Well, the dollar yen story still remains above that 111.10.25 support. In light of the pattern, we may see this level now hold and look immediately to the resistance of 112.55 or around that mid level. A break above there would see further upside tests and look towards a target of 113.20 and reassess from there. Now, that all being said, although we have a long-legged doji which is indecisiveness as the market is trying to pressure the downside. If we get a break of 111.10, however, then I see no technical support until 109.30.50. But that looks unlikely, but I'm still keeping a close watch to these technicals and see if some indication to a bullish stance does eventually emerge. Well, the price action for the pound is weak and should continue so. Now it's broken at 129.50 support. In light of the current price action, I am now looking towards the immediate target of 129.25 and then lower down towards 128.60.65, which could stage a short-term recovery. But if you look at the technical implications, the market is clearly bearish and hasn't been able to recover since the spike of 131.25. Any advances on the day should now see resistance at 130.10.20. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day and a great start to the weekend.